guys, it's your girl Lydia Wendy's, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to do my aubergine. Okay, I've got some eggplants right here and I've got some aubergine. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it, I'm going to slice it in a way that I feel I like, and I'm going to line it up there. Alright, and put that there, and then I'm going to have this half. Alright, just about those. I'm going to keep that. I'm going to have two of these. Alright, I'm going to slice it like that. Because I'm gonna have to find a way to get the kids to like it. So yeah, there we go. Got those two there, and I think I'll cut this a bit more. Okay, so I'm back again. I'm gonna start putting tomatoes. So this is just the normal tomatoes from the can. I couldn't get the sauce, but if you have sauce, go ahead and use that. I've decided to use this. Yeah, and it does work. I really cooked mine for such a long time. Drop and smudge, drop and smudge. Right, so that was it. Yeah, I'm gonna put some cheese. Right, so I think this is the biggest one. I like to test it there. Okay, so right now I'm gonna put some mozzarella cheese. Okay, so that's the cheese. I'm gonna drop some of it there. This is whole black pepper. Okay, I'm gonna just take a little bit of that and just, okay, so I'm gonna take this and put it in carefully. This is really good for the kids. So yeah, this is that is it. I'm gonna put in the fryer. I'm gonna go for 80. Okay. Okay, so that is the outcome. I almost like it, but kind of like want the cheese to be a bit more cooked. I do like the yellow cheese I put down there. I really love the look. Stop cooking. I've been cooking for 5 minutes, but I'm gonna test a bit. Alright guys, so I don't like the taste. I think it's not ready right now, but so far it's really nice, but it needs to be cooked a little bit more. So I'm gonna put it back in there. So we're gonna do 7 minutes now. Okay, yeah, and let's start. Alright, so I'm gonna open this right now. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I think this would taste better. Right, I know the other one looked better, but this tastes better. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna take it out.